Microsoft Listings helps you grow your business by making it easier for customers to find you, read online reviews, and more details about your business. You want to make it easier for people to find you. From Business Center, you can set up listings on Facebook, Google, Bing, and Yelp. Let's connect our listing with our Facebook page. Logging onto your personal Facebook account will automatically start the link-up process. Note, this doesn't expose your personal Facebook profile to customers. Once logged in, you can either connect the current page or create a new business page. We'll use our current page. Update your profile with relevant information and keywords that will help customers find the site. Select Continue. You have successfully connected your Facebook page. You can now easily view your views, likes, and reviews. This information is only available to you, not your customers. Let's now create a new Facebook page to connect with our business. Log into your personal Facebook account. On the following page, this time choose Create New Business Page. Choose a business category for your new page. Add a new profile and cover photo for your new page. You can adjust your images as required. When you're done, select Crop Profile Photo. Then continue. Review how your page will appear. When you're ready, select Create Page. And that's it. Your new Facebook business page is connected to your listing.